In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete user profile in Microsoft Edge browser. If you've ever set up multiple profiles in Edge for work, school, or different personal setups, you might reach a point where you want to clean things up. Deleting a profile is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it carefully so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Microsoft Edge. Look toward the top right corner of the window for the profile icon. It usually appears as a small circle with a picture or initials. Click that icon to open the profile menu. This is where Edge lists the profiles on your browser and gives you quick access to their settings. From that menu, select Manage Profile Settings. In some versions of Edge, you might see a small gear icon labeled Settings instead. Either option takes you to the same place. This will open the settings page focused on your profile options. On the settings page, find the Profile section. Edge typically highlights it by default, but if you don't see it, check the sidebar on the left and click Profiles. Here, you'll see all profiles currently set up in this browser, along with details like whether a profile is signed in and if sync is enabled. Next, locate the profile you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several that look similar. To the right of the profile name or near the Sign Out button, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click that three-dot button to open more options for this specific profile from the menu. Choose Remove Profile. Edge will prompt you with a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed. This is important because removing a profile deletes that profile's browsing data from this device, including history, cookies, cached files, and any saved passwords associated with that profile locally. If the profile was signed in and syncing with a Microsoft account, your data may still be stored in the cloud, but it will be removed from this computer. When you are sure, click Remove Profile again in the pop-up to confirm. That's all it takes. Your selected profile is now deleted from Microsoft Edge on this device. Before you remove a profile in the future, consider whether you need to back up anything important, like favorites or passwords, so you don't lose access to information you care about. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Edge profiles with confidence.